Hi everyone. I'm going to do a pour here shortly, and here we go. I'm just covering up a canvas that I had poured on and did some swiping for fun, and I was going to continue on it, but I decided I would just do something else, so I'm repouring over this one. So the base um, background is kind of a black color, and then I added some white around the edges, and I just had a little puddle of Payne's Gray in the middle there that I decided to fill up a cup full of various blues and greens, basically phthalos and different shades. And I think there was micaceous iron oxide in there. There's some that light purple violet color. I think that's pretty much it. There was no golds or anything like that. So that's all I wanted to use, and I have an idea in mind what I'm trying to accomplish here, so I spend a lot of time tilting and trying to use very little paint. So I'm going to stop now and just let you watch. I'm uh, started painting on this once it was dry to further enhance it, and if what I am going to do works out, I will keep adding that part onto the end of the video. So we'll just let you watch now, and that's about all I can tell you. All right, I think I am just about done tilting here. There's not much more I can do. It's pretty stretched out. So here's where I'm leaving it. There'll be more cells popping up yet. And once it's dry, I turn it in all directions and see what I think is the best suited for what I have planned to paint on it. So we'll stop here for now and talk to you soon. Okay, I'm back and here's what I've started to do. So I'm embellishing this painting in a circular form. So what I decided to do was start with the circle and start adding in layers of color within the circle. The center I've left dark because I want this to be a swimming hole for a polar bear. So I'm emphasizing the lacing and things like that as far as ripples in the water, and there I've painted in the polar bear. I painted over a little bit of blue over top of him, just for some underpainting of a little bit of water being over top. And I've emphasized all the colors around. So the pour that I covered up was still the original pour. All I've done is sort of accentuate it. And then I added in the polar bear for the focal point. So I am done, and I'll just let you watch the rest of what I've done. Pretty much that's it. Just gave him sort of some bubbles and frost on the water there, and you can see the different levels. He's sort of climbing back out, and that was my impression of this, so that's where I went with it. I hope you enjoy it. And I put the circle at the very beginning down a little lower on the painting because I had a different idea in mind, so that's why it's not completely centered. But I actually don't mind it. I was going to sort of do some other circle designs in the upper area, but I think I like it just the way it is, and so I'm just going to leave it. I went around the outside of the circle and accentuated a lot of the cells and the colors that are there. I just color glazed them and made them sort of pop a little bit more. And so there you have it. So I hope you enjoyed it, and that you'll try and do an embellishment of your own painting, or at least that you enjoyed watching mine, and happy pouring, and have a great weekend. Thank you for stopping by my channel. Take care, everyone.